We are going to see right now the biggest bird statue in the world. It's a fresh apple juice, mate. Look at this. Alright, that's a good breaking to start the day, Jackie.
Go.
What's up, guys? This is Ruben. Welcome back to another episode of Live number 6 here in sunny Barcala. Today we're gonna have a very exciting plan. Me and my friend Jakey, we're gonna take on a scooter and we're gonna go see the biggest bird statue in the world, which is also the biggest statue here in India. Let's start with the adventure. How's it going? Alrighty.
Have fun. Rowdy boys, rowdy road.
Oh, rowdy road. My helmet blew off. Whoa, it's blasting hot today, guys. Well, guys, we just made it to Jatayu Earth Center. Let me get the tickets and I'll tell you inside. Today is Thursday afternoon, guys. It's a busy day. It is very hot. We took a bad decision and decided to come a little bit later, thinking that there was no problem and it wouldn't be very crowded when it's a little bit hotter. But this is actually quite crowded. It's mid-February here in Kerala, guys. Temperatures are very high. Yeah. 150. Okay, I just got some beautiful juice to get on with the heat a little bit. It's actually quite nice, guys. 60 rupiah for a fresh apple juice in a local store. And I have to tell you, it's so good, it's so refreshing. I think Jake is gonna be very happy. Get your fresh apple juice, mate.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Confusing entrance for a hike. Alright, guys, we are in Jatayu Earth Center. This is supposed to be the biggest bird statue in the world. There's multiple ways to go up, to be fair. We didn't notice that we could have taken the cable car, but we paid the walking, which was, after taxes and everything, around 300 rupiah each. So that's falling in the area in between like $3 and $4. It is very hot, guys. It's like 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I would suggest, if you're coming in this kind of season, take it early or take it late, because we are on a moment that, like, as a pro, there's no one doing this of walking up, so everything is empty. As a con, you're gonna sweat their life away. Adventure Center. First time I get a higher vision of Kerala. Oh, this feels great to actually go back to hike and do things. Hello, how are you? Oh, 600, 148 stairs left. This is so good. You are healthy.
I don't feel it.
No, I don't feel it either. Oh, look at this. This is beautiful. Hell yeah. This statue, guys, was made by Rajitan Chalv, and it has 60 meter longs, 46 meter wide, and 21 meter height in dimensions. It's a massive statue, and it's really well located on the middle of Kerala. It's basically 1 hour drive, more or less, since we were in Barcala, but it should be around 40 kilometers from Kollam. So if you are in any region here in the south, it's kind of accessible. Kerala is not too big of a region, so to say. So that's actually kind of cool that you can travel to here almost from anywhere that you will be flying if you come to visit this place. We keep healthy, guys. Oh. Epa! Look at this, guys. It's amazing. Oh, you lucky dogs. Smarty panties. It has to be really hot inside, but I have to tell you, this walk is becoming a little bit challenging. Over here, guys, we have the zip line. Someone told me, I think, that it was closed since COVID, but we're gonna go check the statue. From here we can already see the claw over there. So let's reach there, let's have a little walk through history, and then let's see if the zip line is actually open or closed, because I would love to jump from there. You! Cafe! Oh, this is beautiful. Oh, this is so big. Holy smokes! Oh, there you go. See here the claws, guys. Have the face of the eagle. Gorgeous. Wow. Scroll around. This place is insanely beautiful. We enter in one of the sides. I have to tell you, it's one of the most beautiful temples that I've seen ever, just because of location wise and this kind of a structure with these views. I think it's unique. Have a look. I have to tell you, the music on the back, it really puts you in the mood for this. Wow. It's overwhelmingly hot here, guys. So can I get some beverage?
Sorry? Lemon juice, no water. Sure.
No water?
No water. Lemon juice.
Do you have it?
Lemon water.
This one is good. You can try.
Yeah, okay, alright. Yeah. Yeah, two, yeah.
What is this? Lemonade.
Lemonade, yeah. Without soda.
We're gonna lemonade is a good thing right now.
That'll do.
Anything that freshen up.
Any refreshment, yeah.
This is refreshing.
Huh?
This is refreshing.
Refreshing. That's right. So 30-30, huh? How do you like it?
It's alright, it's alright. It's alright. I would quite like it to be like that.
It's 30 rupiah per, because 30 rupiah per lemonade, guys. It's actually quite sweet. It's very nice.
Try this one. Okay. Soft bread like this.
Oh, that looks great. Can I have two? Two, please.
First try this one.
Why?
Because it is a bit soft.
Okay.
It is crispy.
Okay.
So it's your choice. You want to try crispy or soft bread.
Alright. So first the soft.
Yeah. Let's try the
Can we
soft.
have two of these
Well, why
ones?
don't we just have half of each of those?
I'm a little hungry. One cookie each, and we have one there. And one more. Yes, that's what we're taking. How much is it? Eterai?
60.
I'm learning.
Thank you.
That's okay. Thank you. All right. Oh, it's okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. It's okay. Thank you.
180.
So, yeah, we're supposed to cut this in half, right?
Yeah, this one.
First the softie. Ooh, that looks amazing.
Just
fall.
Nice, that's delicious.
Spicy. Jake's grandparents are Indian, so I think he must be way better than I am defining the flavors of what this is. You tried it before, yeah, right?
I've had this one. Yeah, this is a nice one though. It's not usually this soft. It's good.
What is this? Spicy thing? Chili? I like these little tiny.
It might be. It doesn't really taste like chili though.
Oh, it's quite spicy, this one, right? I love them. And then
I've never seen this one before.
What is
So what? That one was better.
kind of thing would be a little bit more my jam, but specifically this one is not. And that's the one I've tried ever.
two lemon juice? One
That's chili.
70.
No, 40. Lemon juice का पैसा दे दिया.
No, a lot of chili.
Yeah, no seeds on that. You'll be alright.
What is this dal?
Those were short.
It's like fried dal with chili.
Lemon juice.
Lemon juice and for eating.
Dal vada and lemon vada.
Window vada.
The more that I bite into it, the more that I like it actually. What an amazing place, guys. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's what I like to hear. Let's go! Let's go! Oh my god. Let's go! Jakey, let's go! This is attitude sickness here. Unfortunately, zipline and most of the activities are closed off. I don't know exactly why, if it's not the right season or something. To be fair, it's very hot, so it makes sense that not too many people would do it, and perhaps when it's a little bit more in winter, that the weather becomes a little bit better, people do these activities, but so far it's been closed. Jake, what did you think about this statue? This is so impressive.
Yeah, I thought it was good. Yeah, it's massive. Yeah,
It's massive.
big statue. It put me right on the spot. It was good. I like the statue. I enjoyed the statue.
Yeah, that's what we're talking about.
Statue.
You know, there's a big difference when you talk to camera. Like, if I would put him on the spot like this,
Yeah.
rather than if I do like this, you make the other person feel more comfortable.
Yeah,
because like,
because
I'm not just like operating your face, so like it's not as difficult.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey, these views. Oh yeah, there's also an helicopter ride that you could normally do on a good season.
Well, I haven't seen a helicopter all day.
Yeah. The exit of the cable car comes to this like gaming area. That's like the most random thing. Well, I think overall the experience was fantastic, guys. I really enjoyed the statue at the top. The temple is fantastic. There's a very good view. But now we just made it down, guys. It's 4 something. We're gonna try to get back to Varkala, maybe get a good spot where we can see the sunset. I'll finish the video properly there. I look like a soldier with this helmet. Yeah. Well, Jake has driven a motorbike approximately 45 minutes in his whole life. Where are we going? Pray for Ruben, there might be no more video tomorrow. I don't know. Home already, guys. As experience, I think it is fantastic. It's a perfect detour if you're in Kolam or you're in Varkala or even the Trivandrum. It's a very nice, good day excursion. The statue is so impressive, and it's just a good day trip. Just bring a cap and bring something because it's gonna be very hot, so the sun doesn't burn you. Entirely black here and white here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. It's been a pleasure to have you around. subscribe to the channel if you haven't. I will see you in the next one. Peace.